Hey guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to add custom token to Binance Wallet. Now let's start. First is open your Binance application. Then after that, click to Asset section. Then at the top, just tap the wallet. Now in here, we redirected into Web3 wallet. All you have to do is tap the assets. Then click this custom icon. Tap manage token. After that, just click the plus button at the top right corner. Now in here, just select a network. So I'll be using BNB Chain. Now, let's go to our web browser. Now in here, just type the bscscan.com. Now in here, just search a token you want. Like for example, the Dodge coin. Just select the coin, then after that, you will be able to see the coins information. Now in the other info section, just tap this token contract. And then let's go back to our Binance. Now in here, just paste the contract address and tap import. Now let's go to our assets and there you go, you add custom token into your Binance wallet. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.